Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own hologram project on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use the I'm just gonna leave it like that, I guess. If you can, remove the background a little bit, but I'm just going to leave it because it's already like a black background. But if you can remove it, it's better too. I'm also going to go to library real quick, and I'm going to just crop this into a square, and I'm just going to place it in the middle for our guide. Just lock it and just leave it. So then I'm going to put the object where the guide is, so like here. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, and I am going to rotate it this way. Then I'm going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to rotate it that way. Let's just put this on top. Maybe I should like crop this out. Yeah, let's just crop that out. Here too, and let's crop the ends out so that it doesn't affect any of the videos. We'll try to, or just go to bright end. There we go. And copy and paste that, and then you're going to rotate that one and place that on top. I don't know why this one is. Hold on, let me just rotate that one and place that. And once you're done, you're just going to remove the guide, and you can then make this into like a hologram using those like plastic CDs, sorry. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!